Today's masterclass is about the chuck, one of my favourite cuts for lots of reasons. We're going to take that chuck and break it down into 3 more user-friendly parts, elevate the value of this magnificent piece of meat. Don't forget, Australian branded beef. This is the external surface of the chuck. When I roll that over, we have the internal surface of the chuck. You can recognise the original position of the rib bones, rib 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this end is the cube roll or ribeye end. It's important to remember when we're removing the chuck eye log. So simply today, all we're going to do is remove that top portion, the continuation of the chuck eye log, set that aside separately. That's our first section, and then we're going to cut up the second part. The chuck eye log sits in this position here on top of the chuck muscles. To remove the chuck eye log, we simply lift that portion of the chuck meat and free it away from the underlying chuck. Done. So this side will be where our rib meat 1.2 comes from. All we need to do is simply cut 2/3 portion of the rib meat to 1/3 portion of the remaining chuck meat to find our rib meat and to find our chuck meat.